Boarding time for China. So nag-jacket na ako kasi malamig na daw dun. Kaya I need to wear a jacket. And this is Ma'am Arlene. So finally, nagkita na kami ni Ma'am Arlene. And this is my sister. And see you in Guangzhou, China. Thank you so much, everyone. Sakay patag ko ano? Masakay patag bus. Asa mo to dapit? Unsa ka day?
29.30 ba?
22. Kita day. Asa ta day? 23. 23. Kami lang Pinay. Kita ray Pinoy no? Kami lang yung Pinoy. Isaya. Daraday, 23. A. Daray.
Ikaw ma'am, diri ko.
Kuan ko no, kanang dito no?
Oh. Saka 23A. No, A okay.
Okay. Welcome na kami to China. China na.
Po ito narito sa loob na aeroplano, mangyari po ang pakitaas ng inyong kamay.
Welcome aboard Flight 5G288 bound for a concert. The flight time this evening will be approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes. We'll be climbing to a cruising altitude of 36,000 feet. Weather and routes are forecasted to be fair, and destinations for the official report is right for this one. You have completed the cargo loading and boarding. We'll be closing your doors. And your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements in the flight deck and cabin. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call in attention of our cabin crew if you require further assistance or clarification on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you very much.
We are about to close the main cabin door. Passengers, please remain seated. Thank you. Through armed doors for departure and cross check, please.
May palaro. May palaro ang Cebu Pacific. Tapos, mga greetings sa anong country dahil ang kasabay namin lahat mga Chinese. Tapos, ang sa akin, kung sa tayo, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Sabi niya, konnichiwa. I raise my hand. So, alam natin konnichiwa, Japanese. Ito yung napanalunan. Ayan. And then, si Ma'am Ga naman, ang greetings na kailangan sawadika. Look, kami lang dalawa ang nag-raise sa aming mga hands. So, syempre, sawadika is Thailand. Pakita yung sa'yo, Day. Di ba? Thank you, Cebu Pacific. Di ba? Mga toiletries. Thank you, Cebu Pacific. Buligana yung iba. Karamihan kasi sa kasama namin mga Chinese. Thank you, Cebu Pacific. Welcome to China. Welcome to China. Hi, Ma'am Arlie.